kitchen. I'm in my house clothes. Yes, I have my bonnet on. Today is March 21st, 2020. We are experiencing what is considered to be the coronavirus pandemic. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make natural antibiotics to build up your immune system for you and your family, all natural ingredients. So stay tuned. That I use in my natural antibiotics are 100% raw organic honey. I use 2 lemon. I use 2 fairly big pieces of ginger. See the ginger right here? These are 2 lemons sliced and de-seeded. I use raw garlic, and I put orange, 2 halves of an orange, de-seeded, because right now they're saying with the coronavirus you have to keep your vitamin C up. So that's the raw honey, and I use my fusion juicer. Let's get started. With these ingredients, you want to peel, slice off the parts of the garlic, like the tops. You want to peel and de-seed the oranges, because the peel and the seeds can actually harm your juicer. So you want to make sure your juicer is protected and it'll still work. And you also want to make sure your seeds are taken out. So after you take 3.5 heaping tablespoons of the raw honey, that's the raw honey, you want to take that and you want to place it inside of the garlic, ginger, lemon, and orange mix. You see? And you want to mix it around until it all incorporates. Okay? You want to just mix it until there's no more honey chunks like this. I'll come right back and show you. You see how it's starting to incorporate? No chunky pieces. 0 chunky pieces. It's still on the spoon, but it's all starting to incorporate. That's what we want. We want it off the spoon, so I'm going to continue mixing until it's all off the spoon, but we want it all incorporated together. So as you can see, this is the finished product. It's all incorporated. The garlic, the ginger, the lemon, the orange, all natural antibiotics, and the raw organic honey. This is what you want to see. You take a tablespoon in the morning and a tablespoon before bed. If you're feeling ill, take a tablespoon every 4 hours. There you go, guys. I just wanted to show you guys my juicer. After you're finished juicing, this is what it will look like. Again, I used garlic, ginger, lemon, orange, and organic raw honey. And if you're worried about your breath stinking, just brush your teeth. You know that after you finish making your natural antibiotics and you put everything up, another thing you can do with the lemons, but you have to get the organic lemons. So you take the lemon, you make sure you wash off the skin before you cut it, and you take these lemons, you save it so it dries out and you can absolutely use them for tea. So when you finish making your natural antibiotics, you can store it in the fridge. You take a tablespoon in the morning and a tablespoon at night. I give my son about a teaspoon because he's 3. I also have something else. This is for you guys who cannot make this and you want to build your immune system on the go, like the nurses and everything that are out at work right now. This is Nutraburst. So Nutraburst is a daily liquid vitamin. You take about a tablespoon a day. It has a 98% absorption rate. It detoxifies your system, which is very important right now. It strengthens your body. It has 72 minerals. It has 10 vitamins, 22 phytonutrients, 19 amino acids, 13 whole food greens, 12 herbs, and it's equivalent to 10 salads. So this is a Nutraburst. You pour about a tablespoon and you drink. That's Nutraburst. So whether you want this or whether you want to make the natural antibiotics, you have either choice. For the Nutraburst, you can click the link in my bio or click the link in the description box and you can get this. For this, I'll just show you how to make it. Let me know if you made this recipe. Let me know how it worked for you. I'm Tiffany tfior. Bye guys. Be well.